like to be the very first to welcome you to Fort Lauderdale. For your continued safety and the safety of those around you, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened. Seat back and tray table in their full upright lock position, and all those secure knows where they're at, so the captain has parked us safely at the gate and turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please caution opening ribbons. Signs do have a tendency to shift during flight. If you are making connection deplane, check the TV monitors for your gate flight information. It's been a pleasure serving each and every one of you. We realize you have many choices, and we do thank you for choosing Southwest Airlines. Go out, buckle, drive safe, have a great week. Come back and see us again real soon. Once again, welcome to Fort Lauderdale.